Good morning. Today we're at the site and brand new construction in the basement, and we got a lot to do to get the HVAC up and running. Here we go, some of the motors that would need to be mounted, some of the exhaust fan motors. I have one there, and as you can see, another over there, and another, and back here we still have another. So we got quite a bit of work to get done before we can time the control system. And here, some of our dampers. So this is going to be a parking garage, and of course we'll have a few exhaust dampers, a few exhaust motors, and there's a lot more of the dampers over here to be mounted and to get things ready. So we're beginning to run our wires, get our panel set up so that soon enough we can get this garage set up and going.